Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you were with me last time, you'll have seen me just taking a walk around Point Dorset, and now I'm heading up the hill here on the crumbling cliffs. I've been warned, and this is the tsunami evacuation route in case there is a large earthquake and a wave generated by that. Not to alarm you, this is Wellington, New Zealand. That kind of stuff has happened before. Hey, my name's Saab Johal and this is my channel. Thank you for coming to watch, and I hope you enjoy it here. If you do, come back again. I'd love to see you, and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any more videos. Right, let's get up this hill.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Break it down like this.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. On a higher level.
Oh, what can I say? Other than I'm really lucky to make it up here today. Just fantastic. So this is the Point Dorset lookout here at the top of Breaker Bay. You can see the whole way around me. And I'm panning around. There's no need for me to pan around, of course. But yeah, what a fantastic day. Let's have another look around. Surf's up, but I'm out. If you've liked this video, I'd love to see you back here again. Maybe consider subscribing so you don't miss any more. Until then, nice to meet you. Catch you again soon. Later, and go well.